here, Shelter Family Experience, and I'm sitting right on our new ice maker. Yes, this is the little GE Profile Nugget Ice Maker. It makes those cute little nuggets that everybody loves. I know my wife loves them. And this is the 2.0 version. So the 2.0 version is supposed to be a little quieter, a little better. I don't know. I accidentally ordered the original version, not realizing this one was out. And we just kind of took it, we ran with it, we had it, and within about a week it started making all these noises. Listen right here. Crazy the amount of noise that it was making. I started doing it in the middle of the night, I think one time, and it just got really loud. It kept doing it, so I sent it back to Amazon, ordered the 2.0. Here it is. If you want this version, the link is in the description. Use the link, helps us out. Find it on Amazon. I will also put a link to the ice machine cleaner solution that you can use on this. We've got it ordered. Some other people have recommended it, so make sure you do get that so you can clean these out. It's kind of a descaler type solution. But let's get into it. Let's get this thing opened up and check it out. Okay, one of the things that it has here is the descaler notification that after about 100 hours of making ice, the cleaning indicator will flash to alert the user that a descaler cycle is needed. So this kind of depends on the water that you have. We kind of have a little bit harder water here, so we will probably be doing the descaler quite often and getting this thing cleaned out. So one thing with this setup, what you want to do is you want to get it nice and clean, just any residue from manufacturing, and do basically a rinse cycle on it. So I've got the water heating up. We're going to do some hot water, and it says to do a little bit of bleach as well and get it kind of all cleaned out and ready to use. So it says to do 5 cups of hot water and a teaspoon of bleach. So I did a teaspoon of bleach in my cup of water. And we're gonna go ahead and get the 5 cups of water down into the water reservoir, the bin right here. We got the external water holder as well, so we're going to be washing that out and washing out the ice tray. Now that we've got our 5 cups of bleach in, while I had hot water, I rinsed out everything else. We're gonna plug it in and hold down the clean button for 3 seconds. So the cleaning is all done. The cleaning light has turned off. So now what we're gonna do is drain it. There's a couple hoses on the back of the unit that we just unplug and drain in the sink. So my recommendation is don't get this all set up in the spot that you want. Set it up next to your sink, unless it's already gonna be next to your sink. Ours is gonna be across from the sink. So when you are doing this, don't set it in the location it's gonna be. Maybe you've got an outside location, which they don't recommend this going outside, or a bar area or something like that. Put it next to your sink while you do this whole cleaning process so you can drain it. Well, we got it all drained. Now we're going to get it all, well, we're gonna be draining it one more time because they actually recommend doing this 3 or 4 times. So we're gonna do this a couple more times, make sure we get all that bleach water out. On the back of the ice maker, there are 2 tubes. One is marked side B for the side tank. So if you got the side tank like I do, which you pretty much should get the side tank because you don't want to be refilling this thing with water, you know, just to make more ice. It's just nice to have that. They probably should have thought of that ahead of time and just made a bigger well in it. But anyway, so we're gonna put the side tank, just got done draining it. I did 3 cycles of the wash. And we're going to put the 1 tube back up. And this other tube I'm gonna leave off because it's gonna go to our handy dandy little side tank. Now, one thing I did on my other one is this fitting right here didn't really, I mean, it fits on there, but I'm gonna throw like a little tiny zip tie on it just to make sure that seals a little bit better. Makes it a little tighter seal, just a small zip tie around it, and just a little peace of mind, so in case it leaks or something like that. There's also a little clip, and what this clip does is it fits right up underneath there, and it goes underneath the actual ice maker as well, and it just keeps that side tank in place on the side. You can choose to use it or not. I did not the other one. I don't think the other one had that, but I'm gonna try it out, see where it sits, and decide if I'm gonna use it or not. All right, I got my side tank all filled up with water and I got the cap on it. I already rinsed it and everything, so it's all nice and clean. We're gonna get it over to it. As you can see, it's on and making ice. Got our drip tray down here. You will need that because when you pull this out, it does seem to drip. We've got just the little scooper it came with. Now you can get some cool stainless ones. It looks like this still has some glue on it, so I'm gonna have to get that off, but fits here nice. Also, you want to make sure you got some breathing room around it because it does have vents. It does put off some heat. So the nice thing is having the side tank right here, it leaves a gap back there. So I just left a little bit of a gap. You can see it fits under the counter, and now we just gotta wait for it to make some ice. Noise wise, take a listen. It's only been about 10 minutes and we're already getting those cute little Nugget Ice. That's right, 10 minutes, that's it, and it's already making ice, so check it out. I hope you like this video. Make sure you smash the like button, leave me a comment, and as always, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We need those subscribers, let's build them up. Thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate you, and go out and get yourself one of these ice makers if you haven't already. If you already got it and this video was helpful, glad I could help, and have fun with that little Nugget Ice. See ya.